Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. A good shower is necessary to get rid of the daily dirt and to relax after a hard day, isn't it? But if there's one thing that can interfere with this, it's small, cold drops that come out without pressure. If this is the case with you, it means that your shower is dirty and clogged. This usually happens because not only water flows through it, but also some minerals, however small they may be, accumulate in the small holes. In addition, dirt and dust particles also accumulate here, in which bacteria accumulate. This is the reason why the water runs out of your shower head without direction. Here you'll learn how to clean and unclog a shower head without removing it from the wall. You'll need 1 plastic bag, vinegar, warm water, string. Turn off the circuit breaker or main switch if you have an electric shower. Pour 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of warm water into the plastic bag. Tie the bag in the shower and leave the shower head immersed in the vinegar-water mixture. Let it soak for 1 hour. Turn on the circuit breaker, remove the bag, and open the faucet to rinse the shower head. Use the time to clean other bathroom utensils and wall coverings. Ideally, you should do the process every 3 months to make sure your shower is always clean. It's important to stress that whenever you're messing with your electric shower, you need to turn off the power to avoid electrocution and other accidents. Agreed? If you already know this tip, tell me about it in the comments, and don't forget to like the video. Until next time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.